Hi, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, full of top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. So this week what we're doing is we're going to be making some icing bags out of greaseproof paper. Now, a lot of people use the disposable icing bags, but if you ever do run out, or if you're using royal icing, then you either need to use a cloth icing bag or a greaseproof paper one. So here's how to make them. So let's have 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. So pop it across so that we've got a square, and just chop this end off. There we go, don't need that bit, and get a knife. Oops. And cut all the way across. Okay. Obviously you can do them any size. You can have large ones if you want to do like a lot of icing, or smaller ones. But once you've actually got your triangle, or what you're going to do is take this corner, turn it inwards and pop it on the back corner to this opposite triangle, and then pulling this one round, we're going to take this back so everything meets at the back, and pull it a little bit tighter. So you've got a very tight cone at the top, and all what you're going to do is then turn these bits over and then over again so that it doesn't ruffle down. And what you can do is, you don't have to, but it helps to stop moving, 2 little snips, and then you can fold it over and then it stays like that. And then all what you're going to do is pop your icing in. Once your icing's in, fold over, and then you're ready to pipe. Okay, so that's a larger one. Obviously when you're doing work with royal icing, you do have obviously it's like with royal icing, you can be doing some intricate work, so you may need all colours, so you may need little icing bags, but you can do these in any size, and these can be made in advance as well, or like these are last minute. So what you do, turn it over. Oops. Don't want to stay in that one. And there we go. Okay, so that's this week's 2 Minute Tuesday. Hopefully we're under 2 minutes, showing you how to make your icing bags out of greaseproof paper, ideal for royal icing. Hope you've enjoyed this week's video. Please join us next week for our next 2 Minute Tuesday, top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. I'm Lee from Cake Craft City. Until next time, bye bye.